Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the necessary tools for this process. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. First, power off your HP EliteBook 840G5 and disconnect it from any power source. Next, carefully flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry the back panel off to avoid damaging the clips. Now that you have access to the internals, take a moment to clean the area. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will not only improve airflow but also help maintain the overall health of your laptop. Next, locate the CMOS battery, which is typically a coin cell battery on the motherboard. If you're facing issues with BIOS settings, it may be necessary to reset the CMOS. To do this, gently remove the battery by using your fingers or a non-metallic tool to avoid any short circuits. While you're working inside the laptop, it's essential to handle components with care. If you're unsure or don't have the tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our services include pickup and delivery at your home, so you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel. After resetting the CMOS battery, wait a few moments before reinserting it. This process can help resolve many BIOS-related issues. Once the battery is back in place, carefully replace the back panel, ensuring all clips are secured and the panel fits snugly. Reattach the screws using your Phillips head screwdriver, ensuring they are tightened properly but not overly tight, as this can strip the screws. Once everything is back in place, power on your HP EliteBook 840G5. Upon startup, press the F10 key repeatedly to enter the BIOS setup. Here, you can configure various settings such as boot order, security options, and more. Take your time to navigate through the available options. If at any point you feel uncertain about the settings, remember that we can provide you with a quote before repair, ensuring you understand any potential costs. Once you've made your desired changes, navigate to the Exit tab and select Save Changes and Exit. Your laptop will reboot with the new BIOS settings applied. After the reboot, monitor the system to ensure everything is functioning as expected. In summary, by following these steps, you can effectively manage your HP EliteBook 840G5's BIOS settings. Remember, if you encounter any issues or prefer not to handle these tasks yourself, our professional services are available to assist you. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.